everyone, I am Ma'am Hazel and I will be your teacher in this video lesson. Today, we will discuss arithmetic means. Here are the objectives. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to A. Define arithmetic mean. B. Find the arithmetic means of a given sequence. And C. Solve problems involving arithmetic mean. Here is your first activity. I want you to list down 3 things you want to do in between birth and death. You may pause this video for a while, and when you're done, you may proceed watching this video. We have line xy here, and there is another point between x and y. Let us assume that the red point is a midpoint of the line. Remember that a midpoint divides the segment into 2 equal parts. That is why the distance from x to the red point and from the red point to y are equal. Then what is now the coordinates of the point between x and y? Do you have any idea on how we are going to find the coordinates of this midpoint? You're right. We can get the coordinates of the red point by solving the average of x and y. Thus, its coordinate is x plus y all over 2. Let us get the set of coordinates from the previous example. We have x plus y all over 2, and y. So this set of coordinates is an example of an arithmetic sequence. Since this is an arithmetic sequence, question, what is the common difference in the sequence? Now I want you to solve for the common difference of this sequence. Are you done solving for the common difference of this sequence? If yes, then let us proceed. In this arithmetic sequence, x plus y all over 2, y, x plus y all over 2 here is what we call arithmetic mean of numbers x and y. So what is an arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean of an arithmetic sequence is our terms between the first term a sub 1 and last term a sub n. In this sequence, a sub 1 is the first term, a sub 5 is the last term. The 3 terms between a sub 1 and a sub 5 are called the arithmetic means. Going back, what do you think is the relevance of this activity in our lesson? You're right. The 3 things you listed are called the means of birth and death. Here are the steps in finding the arithmetic mean. Step 1. Identify the given, the first term, the last term, and the number of terms. Step 2. Find the common difference using a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. And step 3. Find the missing terms. Let us have our first example. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 4 and 16. So this is the arithmetic sequence. 4, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, 16. Let's proceed to step 1. Identify the given. What are the given in this arithmetic sequence? We have the first term, a sub 1, which is 4. The last term, or the a sub 5, is 16. And we have n, or the number of terms, which is 5. Step 2, we are going to solve for d. Remember that d is the common difference. we use this equation a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So our a sub n here is 16, or the a sub 5, the fifth term. Our a sub 1 is 4, or the first term. N is 5, that is the number of terms. And d is the common difference. So let us simplify. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that is 16 equals 4 plus 4d. 16 minus 4 equals 4d. 16 minus 4 is 12. Then we get the value of d, which is 3. So step 3, find the missing terms. We already have our common difference, which is 3. So a sub 2 is the sum of the first term and the common difference. So that is 4 plus 3 equals 7. A sub 3 is the sum of the second term and the common difference, which is 7 plus 3 equals 10. And lastly, a sub 4 is the sum of the third term and the common difference. That is 10 plus 3 equals 13. So 7, 10, and 13 are the arithmetic means between 4 and 16. Example number 2. Insert 4 arithmetic means between 8 and negative 7. So here, we are going to insert 4 arithmetic means. So that is 8, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, and negative 7. First step is to identify the given. We have the first term, a sub 1, which is 8. Our last term, negative 7, that is a sub 6. And the number of terms is 6. Let us now find the common difference using this formula. So a sub n here is negative 7. A sub 1, or the first term, is 8. N, or the number of terms, is 6. Simplifying 6 minus 1, we will have negative 7 equals 8 plus 5d. Then, negative 7 minus 8 equals 5d, which will result to negative 15 equals 5d. To get the value of d, or the common difference, we divide both sides by 5. So negative 15 divided by 5, that is negative 3. Therefore, our common difference here is negative 3. Now, step 3 is finding the missing terms. A sub 2 is the sum of the first term and the common difference. So that is 8 minus 3 equals 5. A sub 3 is 5 minus 3 equals 2. A sub 4 is 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. And a sub 5 is negative 1 minus 3 equals negative 4. 5, 2, negative 1, and negative 4 are the arithmetic means between 8 and negative 7. Example 3. Given the arithmetic sequence x plus y, 2x, 3x minus y, a sub 4, a sub 5, a sub 6, and a sub 7, 8x minus 6y, insert 4 arithmetic means. So there are 4 missing terms in this sequence. So our first step here is to find the common difference using the first term and the second term. So to find the common difference, we subtract a sub 1 from a sub 2. So a sub 2 is 2x minus the first term, x plus y. So 2x minus the quantity x plus y. Simplifying the equation, we will derive 2x minus x minus y. Combining like terms, 2x minus x is x, then copy minus y. Therefore, our common difference is x minus y. So let us now find the four arithmetic means. The first arithmetic mean is the sum of the third term and the common difference, x minus y. So a sub 3 is 3x minus y plus the quantity x minus y. Simplifying the equation, we will derive 3x plus x minus y minus y. So a sub 4 is 4x minus 2y. Next, a sub 5. A sub 5 is the sum of a sub 4 and the common difference x minus y. Our a sub 4 here is 4x minus 2y plus x minus y. Simplifying, we will derive 4x plus x minus 2y minus y. And combining like terms, our a sub 5 is 5x minus 3y. Next term, a sub 6. A sub 6 is a sub 5 plus x minus y. A sub 5 is 5x minus 3y plus the quantity x minus y. Simplifying, 5x plus x minus 3y minus y. So our a sub 6 is 6x minus 4y. The last term, a sub 7, that is a sub 6 plus the quantity x minus y. A sub 6 is 6x minus 4y. So plus x minus y. Then simplifying, that is 6x plus x minus 4y minus y. So our a sub 7, 7x minus 5y. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 4x minus 2y, 5x minus 3y, 6x minus 4y, and 7x minus 5y. Let us proceed in our fourth example. How many numbers between 5 and 1000 are divisible by 9, or multiples of 9? Let us identify the given. We have first term, which is 9. Since 9 is the least number between 5 and 1000, which is divisible by 9. What is the next given here? We have 999. 999 is the greatest number between 5 and 1000, which is divisible by 9. And we will mark this as a sub n. Next given is the common difference, 9. The common difference will be 9 since we are looking for numbers which are divisible by 9. Take note that 9, 18, 27 are divisible by 9 and their common difference is also 9. Step 2. Solve for n, or the number of terms, using this formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times b. We substitute the given in this formula and we will have 999 equals 9 plus the quantity n minus 1 times 9. We distribute 9 in n minus 1. So we will have 999 equals 9 plus 9n minus 9. Simplifying, we will have 999 equals 9n. And to find the value of n, we divide both sides by 9, since the coefficient of n is 9. So 999 divided by 9, that is 111. Therefore, there are 111 numbers divisible by 9 between 5 and 1,000. Here is our fifth example. Find the value of b when the arithmetic mean of b minus 5 and 2b plus 1 is b plus 2. Since b plus 2 is the arithmetic mean, it is located between b minus 5 and 2b plus 1. So, that is b minus 5, b plus 2, 2b plus 1. And this form an arithmetic sequence. So, since this is an arithmetic sequence, the difference between b minus 5, b plus 2, and the difference between b plus 2 and 2b plus 1 are equal. And since they are equal, we can equate a sub 2 minus a sub 1 and a sub 3 minus a sub 2. A sub 2 is b plus 2, a sub 1 is b minus 5, and a sub 3 is 2b plus 1. Substituting them, we will have b plus 2 minus b minus 5 equals 2b plus 1 minus b plus 2. And simplifying, we will derive to b plus 2 minus b plus 5 equals 2b plus 1 minus b minus 2. Then combining like terms, we will derive 7 equals b minus 1. Then 7 plus 1 equals b will result to b equals 8. Therefore, the value of b is 8. I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to answer your assignment and make a short reflection about the topic for this module.